Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the lead code question of removing duplicates from sorted array. Now, in this given question, we have a sorted array nums. Remove the duplicates in place such that each element appears only once and return the new array. The tricky thing is here that do not allocate extra space for another array, so that we cannot take a extra new empty array, or if we are doing it in Python we cannot take a extra new empty list and just copy everything to it and then remove one by one. We cannot do such thing. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with big O of 1 extra memory. Now given nums of 1, 1, 2, basically it should return, the output should be 1 and 2, it should not contain the 1. So we will take this input nums, remove the repeating element and return only 1, 2. Similarly, in this example we have in nums 0, 2 zeros, 3 ones, 2 twos, 2 threes and 1 4. It should return 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without any repeating elements. So to do this problem, we would use two inbuilt Python functions. Basically, we would have to use the dot count and the dot pop and del function of Python. Let us look at the code. So let us take, we will do this in two ways or two methods. So let us take a look at the first method. First, for I in nums, here we are using this I to iterate through each element of the nums, and if nums dot count of I greater than 1, then start another for j in range nums dot count I minus 1 nums dot pop nums dot index of I. With this only the solution for this problem is got. Let us run it. So it is working. Now what exactly are we doing in this solution? So if we have this example, it will take for I in nums, it will take the first value of I, first value 0, I will be equals to 0. Now it will check nums dot count of I, it will check what is the count of I in this nums list. So what is the count of 0 in this nums list? It will be equal to 2, which is greater than 1. So it will go inside this for loop for j in range of nums dot count of I minus 1. Nums dot count of I is equals to 2. So for j in range of 2 minus 1 is 1. So for j in range of 1, nums dot pop nums dot index of I. So it will now nums dot pop, so it will pop 0 only once. In the second case, when it will reach 1, it will again pop 1 2 times. Using this nums.count, whenever the count of 1 is here 3, it will be subtracted by 1. So 1 will be popped 2 times. Basically, leaving only one element would pop the rest of the repeating elements from the list. Another way is to use the del function. So for I in nums, if nums dot count of I greater than 1, then let us take two variables, a which is equals to nums dot index of I and b equal to nums dot count of I minus 1. Once this is done, delete from nums list indexes from a till a plus b. So this is working. So the basic idea behind this code is to take the first element. Let us take a look. Take the first element 0. If the count is greater than 1, the count of 0 is 2. A equals to nums dot index of I. This will give the index of the first element. So it will give the index of 0, which will be 0. B equals to nums dot count of I minus 1. So count of 0 would be 2 minus 1. So delete numbers from a till 1. So it will just eliminate the 0, the value at the 0th index, and leave the rest alone. So basically what we do is that in this we would simply take the first index of the repeating element and the last index where the element repeats, and simply delete all the elements from the first to the last apart from the last element only. These short codes help us to achieve the results, and a lot is going on in them. Do take a look through the code again, and if there are any queries, do post them in the comments, and if this video was helpful, do give it a like. Thank you.